In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trim video clips using the preview window in Filmora. Now, as you can see here, I have a video on the timeline, so I want to add this on the timeline so you guys can see how long this video is. This is a pretty long video. What is up, guys? Welcome. This is a pretty long video. As you can see, this is about, let's see, how long is this video? This is about 40 something seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this video. Now if I had this video clip here inside of my media folder and I wanted to trim this video before I added it to the timeline, to preview this window, what I'll simply do is just click on the video. What is up, guys? Welcome. And it's gonna be added to my preview window here without adding into the timeline, so I can kind of like scroll through. If I have a bunch of videos here, if I was gonna add, let me add another video here. If I was going to add this video and I wanted to preview this video before I added it to my timeline here, I could go ahead and click on this.
Test 1 2 test 1.
All right, so this is going to preview the video itself. Now, I'm going to go back to my original video here.
What up, guys?
Now, if I wanted to trim this video before I add this to one of these tracks here, is I'm going to go over to the preview window, and if you look right underneath the toolbar that's within these different options here, you're going to see these two little brackets here. So this is going to be the mark in and then the mark out. So once you click on any of these buttons, just click this mark in. It's going to add a little mark here, right? So this is kind of like your way to trim this video. Let's say I just wanted, the first couple seconds of this video. So I'm going to use my mark in tool here to move it to the beginning. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the mark out tool here to grab where I want the video to end. Okay. Now, one of the cool things you can do is you can actually, play the video. As you're playing the video and it's moving along, you can go ahead and click the mark out and it will just move it over there. Or if you wanted to use the mark in, you can just go ahead and move this playhead here and go ahead and hit mark in and it will shift the video to over there. Right. So let's go ahead and trim this. I want to make this very short. I want to make it this short here. So now once you have your video here, and if you hover over the screen, you're going to see that there's two little buttons here. The first one is going to be for you can drag this to only drag the video. Now here you can drag the audio to the timeline. So if I was going to drag the video, it would just drag the video with no audio, right? And let me go ahead and delete the video so we can do this again. Okay, I'm going to go back here.
Welcome back.
Now I could also drag the audio if I wanted to just drag the audio out from the video. So this is another way to extract audio from, from videos, stuff like that. Okay. Now, if you wanted to drag the entire thing, you can just grab anywhere on the screen, click anywhere on the screen and drag it on the timeline. Now this is going to drag both the video and the audio. So just drag anywhere here on the timeline and move it around. Now, one of the cool things you do here is, let's say I wanted to preview this video as well, right?
All right, test.
Now that I have this video, what I can actually do here is you can do the same thing. You can trim the video. Let's trim this here. Let's make it maybe this small here. Now, once you're done trimming it, you can actually use this button here, right, to insert the clip onto the timeline, because like based on this video, I want to use this part of the video here, which is going to create a clip. So what I can do here is I can go ahead and click this drop down here. You can see the different options. You can insert the clip at the end, you can insert the clip after the cursor, or you can overwrite the clip, right? So usually what you want to do here, what I like to do is insert the clip after the cursor, which means I need to move maybe the playhead to maybe over here. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my preview screen here. I'm gonna go hit this button right here. It's gonna insert the clip after the cursor. Now, if you wanted to do insert the clip at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this so I can show you that option as well. I'm gonna select this.
All right, test.
Pause that. All right, click the drop down. I'm gonna go ahead and insert clip at the end. As you can see, it's gonna insert the clip at the end of my first clip here. So that is pretty much it when it comes to how you can trim your video clips using the preview window in Filmora. Pretty handy tool to use when you are editing a really big project that requires you adding a lot of clips and you don't want to do it on the timeline. A quick way to do it would be to use the preview window to do it. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're going to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.